Hey guys, so today we are going to write our Java program Hello World. So let's begin. Class name Hello World, curly braces, and then public static void main, string args. So these are the input parameter from command line. So we'll create system dot out dot println. So this is the output line that we use to print in our console window. We'll enter Hello World and then save your file with Java extension. So class name and the file name should be same, so we are going to with the same manner hello world.java, and we'll go for compilation. We'll open a command prompt, move to the same file location where you saved your file. We'll go to our Java directory, Java C, and the file name hello world.java, and it compiled. We'll run it Java, find the file name remove.class, and it succeed. So thank you. We'll connect again.